Hello there. Today we're going to learn how to replace the two glasses of the scanner, the upper glass and the lower glass. This is for the Canon DR G2140 scanner. Alright, so let's proceed with opening the scanner. This is the upper glass right here, and this is the lower glass back here. Alright, let's start with the upper glass of the scanner. To replace it and remove it, you will need to use like a stick, so that way you can press on the upper left side of this the glass right here when you see where you see the stick. So just press, you're gonna hear a click, and then with your hand go and slide it to the left like this. Now it's loose. Now to place the new one back in, just place it on, and then slide it to the right. You're gonna hear a click. Now it's on. Now to proceed removing the lower glass, you need to use the same stick. There's going to be like a small hole on the left upper side of the glass, which is right here in this corner right here. So basically you need to press it down, and at the same time you can either use a stick or you can use your finger, whichever is easier. So press it down, and then with your other finger move it to the left, slide it to the left, and you're gonna hear a click. When you hear the click, the glass is loose. You can pull it up. Pull it up. There you go. Now the new glass, let's place it on the scanner. Place it on the scanner until it fits. There you go. Now you need to slide it to the right so it is secure. In this case, we're going to slide it. There you go. You hear the click, and now it's ready to scan. Thank you for watching.